Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Kim. So today's video is gonna be a what I eat in a day. This video is highly requested. You guys wanna see what I eat in a day. So today I'm gonna show you what I eat for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, my snacks, my drinks, and all of that good stuff. If you're new to the channel, I am on a weight loss journey that I started December of 2019. I weighed 228 pounds and today is currently July 19th, 2020. And today I weigh 153 pounds. I just wanna say that I am at a very happy place and weight right now. So what I'm eating is just to maintain my weight. So if you want to see what I eat in a day, keep watching. So every morning I like to start off with a cup of coffee. I use the Stoke cold brew coffee with the sweet and creamy silk almond creamer. So moving on to breakfast now, it's 11 o'clock. And I'm making my favorite, which is bacon over medium eggs over toast. I like to add garlic powder, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. So I have spring mix, mayonnaise, and the Kerrygold butter. I don't know why, but I love to use the butter first and then add mayonnaise on top. It just gives it a lot of flavor. I love spice, so I'm gonna add some pepper flakes and 2 times spicy sauce. If you guys have never tried this sauce and you like spice, please try it, it's so good. I'm gonna add bacon on top, and that is it. This is my breakfast, guys. Alright guys, so I have my coffee and I have my breakfast. I can't wait. I love this. It's so good. It's my favorite. I eat this every day. I always try to switch it up a little bit, but this right here is my go-to. So I needed more coffee. And I take my vitamins every single day. I take a 1-a-day woman's. I take a zinc. I take biotin, and I take vitamin C gummies. You guys like my hair? No? Okay. I don't know. Alright guys, it is 1:30. I've not eaten lunch yet. I'm going to get a quick 30-minute workout in, and I am actually going to film it for you guys. I've gotten a lot of comments asking if I can create workout videos, and honestly I'm not 100% comfortable creating and promoting and teaching others how to work out because I'm not a fitness expert. I don't really know 100% if I'm doing everything right, and so I'm just gonna show you guys what I do, what works for me, what has been working for me for the past 6 months. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. downstairs now and I'm going to make a lunch. I'm not super hungry, so I'm just gonna make like a very small salad, and I have leftover garlic shrimp from yesterday, so I'm just gonna make like a small shrimp salad. I just made a simple, quick lunch. I added the spring mix and spinach. I chopped up 1 small cucumber and I added the leftover garlic shrimp from yesterday. I did not heat the shrimp just because I didn't want hot shrimp in a like cold salad. So this is my lunch. Wow, that salad was really good. That shrimp was from my friend's cookout yesterday. They had a lot of leftover garlic shrimp, but I didn't use dressing because it had that like garlicky sauce, so that was like the dressing for me. It was really good. But now I'm craving something sweet, so I might just like make a fruit bowl for myself. I'm gonna look in the refrigerator and see what kind of fruit we have, and then I will show you guys my fruit bowl. So I had kiwi and grapes, so that will be my little fruit bowl. Alright guys, so it's about 6 o'clock. I am going to make my dinner now. Tonight's gonna be pretty easy just because I already have steak that we ordered 2 nights ago from Texas Roadhouse. So I have that, and then I have a side of corn, and instead of mashed potatoes, I'm gonna make this frozen broccoli medley. And it comes in this little package here, and I can put it in the microwave, but I'm not gonna put it in the microwave. I'm actually just gonna cook it on the stove top. Personally, I think that just tastes better, and the texture is a lot better because you can kind of control that, and you can add seasonings while they're cooking. So I'm gonna make that. So I'm gonna season the vegetables with salt, garlic powder, black pepper. I'm gonna use this Montreal steak season just to give it that like steak season, and then some onion powder. So I'm gonna heat up the steak and the corn. And then I'm gonna use this garlic butter. Oh my goodness, if you guys have never tried this, please go to Sam's and try it. It is so good. Okay guys, this is my dinner. I have steak, corn, and vegetables. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I plated my dinner on a smaller plate. I'm going to show you guys the difference between my plate and a dinner plate. And I have it like on a smaller plate just so that helps with like portion control. So, and you know what? I'm gonna continue this. I'm going to do another what I eat in the day tomorrow, just so you guys can see the difference, because today is Sunday. It's a more chill, relaxed day. I eat three meals a day, and tomorrow you'll see a difference in my meals and how often I eat, and because it's a work day and I work from home. So yeah, so I'm going to eat my dinner now. Good morning, everyone. Today's a Monday, so happy Monday. It is 9 o'clock I just got off a meeting for work. I haven't even gotten my coffee yet, so I'm gonna get some coffee. On the weekday, I tend to only eat twice a day. Breakfast, I usually eat that around 12 o'clock. And I would eat dinner after I'm finished with work, which would be like around 5. Yeah, you guys will see the difference in what I do in today. Yeah, happy Monday, everyone.
I can't find my log. And I washed my hair and go potty, and I didn't see that.
Oh, so maybe it's in your bed.
So it's 11 o'clock now, and I'm gonna make myself a cup of hot green tea. I like to add lemon. I didn't have any fresh lemon, so the second best thing. And you guys have to watch this cup. This is Jamal's Dragon Ball Z cup, and it changes colors according to the temperature, so it's pretty cool. So I'm making the same thing for breakfast this morning, except I'm using hard-boiled eggs instead of over medium eggs. I'm gonna make my bacon. That was quick, right? I'm gonna add some mayonnaise to my toast, top it with some spring mix, and then my hard-boiled egg. And guys, this is my breakfast. And if you're wondering, I am drinking water throughout the day. And as far as my snacks go, I'm eating just some veggie sticks just to kind of hold me over until dinner. And for dinner, it's gonna be quick and simple. I'm actually just putting these rotisserie chicken wings in the oven. They're so good. I'm actually gonna put about 10 in the oven, but I'm only gonna eat 3 or 4, just so Micah and Jamal can have some as well. So there you have it, guys. My dinner tonight is just very simple and very quick. I have a side of salad with some wings. So that is my dinner. It is the next day. I forgot to end my video last night, but I hope you guys enjoyed my what I eat in a day 2-day edition. Thank you guys so much for watching me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for liking and commenting on my videos. If you are new to this video, please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Again, I just want to thank you guys again from the bottom of my heart for just watching me, wanting to see more content, and I'm just so blessed, and just thank you. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.